Take a ride in the 2015 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, fog lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist, airbags, front knee. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.